The Autofill is an optional accessory that connects a storage vessel to your 60-litre dewar. It has a liquid level sensor probe which connects to the GSM. When the level of liquid nitrogen in your dewar reaches 20%, the Autofill opens a valve, allowing liquid nitrogen to fill your dewar back up to 80%. Before setting up and using the Autofill, check the pressure of your supply dewar is between 1 and 2 bar. If the storage vessel has a pressure higher than this, the Autofill will not operate correctly. To install the neck fitting, remove the caps from the top of the dewar and place the sealing ring inside the dewar's opening. Now you can insert the neck fitting. Position the vent so that it points away from people and doesn't interfere with the cables and transfer lines that will run out of these ports. Now we can clamp the neck fitting onto the dewar. Screw on the probe adapter, loosen the cap and insert the level probe. Do this slowly so as not to damage the probe. Once you can feel the probe is touching the bottom of the dewar, let go and retighten the cap. The serial cable that runs from the probe needs to be connected to the Autofill probe port on the back of the GSM. The gooseneck will need to be attached to your supply dewar. The storage vessel's outlet fitting needs to be a 1/2 inch BSPP male coupling. If it isn't, you'll need to use an adapter, but for American users, a 3/4 inch JIC female adapter is supplied. Finally, connect the solenoid power cable to the Autofill solenoid port on the GSM and the transfer hose from your supply dewar to the neck fitting. If you need a transfer line longer than 1.5 meters, make sure you use an insulated one. For more information about the Autofill, please refer to the Cryostream Handbook.